Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is January the 24th, 2021, and on today's video, we're going to show you all the best SPAC that is to buy right now. You guys can see on my price chart that it is Longview Acquisition Corporation. Now, you might not know what a SPAC is, but before I get into that, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel because we're going to give you all a heads up as to where the price is going to go so you can capitalize on the lick. That's it. And we're going to show it to you the unconfusing way. So first of all, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe. And now we're going to talk about what is a SPAC. Okay, this is a definition from Investopedia. A special purpose acquisition company is what a SPAC is. Now, what is a special purpose acquisition company? You guys can see right here. A special purpose acquisition company is a company with no commercial operations that is formed strictly to raise capital through an initial public offering for the purpose of acquiring another company, also known as blank check companies. Literally, it is a shell company to where they're piling in a whole lot of money so that they go purchase another viable company. That's it. Now, you guys can see from this definition that SPACs have been around for decades. But in recent years, they became more popular, attracting big name underwriters and even major investors in this game. Okay, now in the beginning of 2020 of August, there have been more than 50 SPACs have been formed in the United States, which have raised more than $21.5 billion. So that is what a SPAC is. And this Longview Acquisition Corporation is a SPAC. Now, in order for you to really determine what a SPAC is, when you just look at a price chart, every SPAC stock, every share of this particular SPAC or blank check starts around $10. Okay, so y'all can see that this particular SPAC started on July 13, 2020. And recently, you guys can see that Longview have seen a substantial movement higher in price, right? So much so that you can even draw the trend into the market in this SPAC, right? From when the market started its movement higher in price, you can literally follow the trend into the market for Longview. So we're going to play that. This is what the trap, the one who moves the market, is telling us. This is the direction in which he wants to take this particular stock, right? So let's look at this on a different time frame. When you look at this particular SPAC on a different time frame, you can see that the market is just hovering right here around $20 to up there around 22. So there's like a $2 gap in between the buyers and the sellers. Now, there's no doubt there has been selling going on in the market at Longview right around these particular prices. I would say between $21 to 22. It has been getting hit. It's been getting walloped with sellers. But you know what has not occurred? Exactly, the price has not been decreasing. As a matter of fact, it's been absorbed. Let us know that the viability of this particular SPAC is still in play, of it trying to go higher in price. And that is going to be our forecast. This is not confusing at all. I mean, even during the last couple of 5-day price bars, you guys can see that the market in Longview has just been trading sideways. This was the opportunity for the trap to tell us whether or not the market was going to go lower, but he didn't do it. So yeah, we're going to continue to play the strength into this particular SPAC. We're going to look for the market to go higher based off what we're seeing on the 5-day and the weekly time frame. Okay, so let's do this real quick and then we'll go ahead and let you all go. Now, we want to see the trap maintain price right there around $20, but we'll be fine with it coming all the way back down to $19. Okay, so that would be about a 10.5% loss into the market under that premise, right? Now, we told you already, when you looked at the market on this particular SPAC, that restriction was coming around $22 to $23. So obviously we would need to take some off the market right there. So around $22.25 will TP the market. TP simply means take profit. Okay, so that would be about 4.46% profitability into the market on that particular move. But we're going to increase it up just a tad as we see this play out in the long term. So we're going to play this on the weekly time frame. Okay, I'm going to play this on the weekly time frame. We got $19 for support. $22.25 will be the area to where we'll skim off a little bit of profit. But here, we're just going to take it all the way up here to around 24, okay, which is about 12.5% profitability. And that's it. This is one of the best Spac stocks right now in the market based off the price chart. Now we follow the trap. This is our forecast. This is our prediction. Now it's your turn. What are you predicting into the market for Longview Acquisition Corp? Leave us a comment in the comment section and let's do it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Now go and trade different.